In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Outlook in a few simple steps. Integrating these two powerful tools can streamline your workflow, improve productivity, and make managing tasks much easier. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the homepage of your Monday.com account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so, and then locate your way to the main dashboard. For those unfamiliar with Monday.com, it's a work operating system that helps teams run projects and workflows with confidence. You'll need a board to work with, so head over to the sample board, which is a great place to start if you're testing out new integrations or simply exploring the features Monday.com offers. Once you're on the sample board, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Integrate button. Click on it to access a variety of integration options that Monday.com supports. Now, you will see a plethora of integration options. It might be a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry, knowing exactly what you need makes this part a breeze. You're looking to integrate Outlook, so in the search bar provided, type in Outlook. As you type, the suggestion will appear. When you see Outlook listed among the options, click on it to proceed with the integration setup. This is where we start tying Monday.com with Outlook to help synchronize emails and tasks effectively. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a template. This step is crucial because templates define the rules for your integration. Monday.com provides several ready-made scenarios or templates that dictate how information between your platforms will be synchronized. For instance, you could set it up to turn emails into tasks or trigger reminders within your calendar. Spend a moment considering which template best suits your needs. If you're unsure, you can always start with the basic template and refine the integration later. After selecting the template that aligns with your workflow needs, click on Use Template to move forward. This action indicates that you're ready to utilize the specified conditions set by the template. Lastly, click on Connect, which will link Monday.com to your Outlook account, allowing the two to start communicating fluidly. And there you have it. With these steps, Monday.com and Outlook are now integrated, making your task management and email synchronization a seamless experience. Remember, the power of these tools truly shines when you customize your settings to fit your specific workflow. So take some time to explore and adjust as needed. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Happy integrating!